Mismatic.com.
If you want a light ink printed on a dark garment to be very bright, you must necessarily print it a first time, dry it for a few seconds with a flash hood, and reprint it a second time. Sophia can't do that because her printing table can only move in one direction. Sophia DS, on the other hand, can do it. The printing table, in fact, can move both to the left, loading and unloading area of the garment, and to the right, drying area. Sophia DS is the evolution of Sophia, and is particularly suitable for printing workwear, and promotional items.
Mismatic.com.